everyone, this is Karnika. In this video, we are learning about the different type of built-in data structures in Python. Did you know that there are 4 main types? At their core, data structures are the ways of organizing and sorting data so that it can be accessed and modified efficiently. They are the building blocks of creating complex algorithms and are fundamental in computer science. In the field of machine learning and data science, data structures are indispensable. They influence the performance and capabilities of the model and algorithms, from data pre-processing to neural network construction. Python, known for its simplicity and power, offers variety of built-in data structures. Let's start the first data structure in Python. Lists in Python are the dynamic array that can store various types of data. They are vital for handling lists of features, data points, and model outputs in machine learning algorithms. In machine learning contexts, lists are often used to store and manipulate data sets, especially while working with libraries such as pandas and numpy. Next, tuples. Tuples are immutable sequence, which means once created, they cannot be altered. This is particularly useful when we are storing fixed configuration in ML models. Tuples are often used to ensure the integrity of data that should remain constant throughout the execution. Now, dictionary. Dictionaries store value in key value pair, offering a fast retrieval. They are extensively used for mapping features to their value and configuring parameters in models. Data scientists frequently use dictionaries for organizing data and parameters in structured and accessible manner. And lastly, sets. Sets are a collection of unique elements and are ideal for operations that require uniqueness, like filtering out duplicates in data pre-processing. Sets are often used in machine learning for tasks like creating lists of unique labels or features. Understanding and utilizing these data structures effectively is imperative for machine learning. We provide the foundation upon which sophisticated algorithms and models are built. Experiment these structures in your Python projects. The more you practice, the better you will become at its application. Let me know in the comments what's your go-to Python data structure and how do you use it in your projects. My favorite is list and dictionaries for its mutability and simplicity. For code examples and more, check out the description below. I'll see you in the next video about advanced data algorithm and their applications. Till then, keep learning and practicing.